I'm eagerly waiting for something today, but let's just begin. Oh, here it is. What is the best way to start the day? It is with a cup of coffee. Let's make it. You must be knowing that I've already got the package and you must be knowing what it is, isn't it? You saw it in the title, didn't you? Yes, you did. That's why you are here. Well, let's go and see what it is. No! Man, we need to get the micro SD card now. Let's move and get micro SD card.
We are at the Asia's biggest market. We have got the SD card.
Let's just quickly do the unboxing. The Hero 9. Oh, Hero 6. Better video stabilization, 4K at 60 FPS. Very versatile camera. You can shoot almost everything. And lastly, I'm hungry. Let's head to 24/7 for a hot dog.